What is up, everybody? Hey, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it. That's what we do. True change, baby. True change. I want you guys to make this a habit. I want you guys to invite and welcome problems. That's right. I said it. What seems to be the problem with what you're doing right now? What seems to be the problem of your worst habits, your biggest habits that take the most amount of energy to consume? What is that for you? Write it down. Write down 3 things that seems to be the biggest problem that is holding you back from getting all the goals that you want to. That's getting you to lose 40 pounds. What is that for you? I want you to write it down. And then I want you to invite it. I want you to welcome it. I want you to take it on with full force and full velocity. If you are not a fan of the solution, then you are going to keep those problems. And so you need to invite them and take them on. You need to invite them and you need to tell them straight up why you cannot continue to have those problems. I need you guys to religiously take them on. When you begin facing problems is when you are going to slowly get closer to your solution. Now, there's one major way that you can do this. Now, the next thing I want you to write down. What are 5 things that you are good at? What are the 5 things that you are best at? When it comes to, life in general, really, but like when it comes to losing weight or reaching your goals. What are the 5 things that you are good at? Well, you are good at, maybe you're good at cooking, right? I'm not the best at, I'm super simple. I got tons of recipes and stuff, but I personally, I just order meal prep. That's what I do. Because why do I order meal prep? Because I know that I'm good at other things. I know that I'm really good at working out. I know that I'm really good at that. I can do that all day long. I'm good at it. So I focus on that. What's another thing you may be good at? You may be a good morning person. Maybe you are a good morning person. That'd be awesome. Maybe you're really good at working out at night. What are 5 things that you're good at? Maybe you're good at making a routine. Maybe you are good at, there's tons of things that you can be good at. Maybe you're good at going on walks. Or maybe you're good at involving your kids in your workouts. Maybe you are good at, there's so many things that you can be good at, okay? Another thing that I'm really good at, okay, is I'm good at working extremely hard. I'm good at being focused. I'm good at dialing in and being relentless. That is what I'm good at. So, check this out. The 5 things that you're good at. And then you're welcoming the 3 problems. Now, how do you welcome those 3 problems? How do you do that? See, what a lot of people seem to get mixed up is they focus on improving the problems. They focus on just these 3 things. But how do you welcome those 3 problems? You focus on these 5, baby. You need to focus on these 5 things. That is how you're going to welcome these 3 things. And that's how you're going to be able to take them on. Because when you focus on the things that you're good at, they will naturally be welcomed. They will naturally be welcomed. And so, you focus on what you're good at. Focus on what you like. Focus on what you enjoy. Focus on what you are good at. And you will naturally invite these 3 things into your life. So I'm telling you, write down the 3 problems. And your solution to taking all 3 of those things on and welcoming them in will be focusing on those 5 things. I'm telling you. Focus on what you're good at. It's going to be hard to think of 5. It's going to be hard to think of 5. But I promise you, if you don't focus on the solution, if your solution is not that important to you, you are just going to keep these problems. True change. Focus on the 5 good things. 5 things that you're best at. I know you can think of them. You're probably still thinking, but I know you can think of them. Like if you called me right now, I guarantee you I could think of 5 for you. I could ask you a few questions and I could give you 5 things that you're good at. Think of it. You got this. You got this. 5 things that you're good at. 3 things that you want to improve. Watch them. Watch these 3 become better when you focus on what you're good at. Let's go, guys. Let's go. True change, baby. Let's get it.